So one of the things that you all could do, which is very easy, is go to promotions tab in your Gmail. You will see many messages. Just take a look at that. Like for me, even after cleaning, right, there are quite a few messages that are landing up here. Take a look at this. Like for example, in this case, I also see a message from greeting portal that landed up in the promotion portal, right? So this was not supposed to be like that. So what you can do is you can click on the message, then go to this labels symbol, click on labels, and just uncheck promotions, and then apply. So this is a one time exercise, you won't have to do too many things for that. So go through this and you will find many such messages. Go through 2 3 pages, that should be enough, I think, right? Once you do that, it should not take more than like a few minutes, right? So once you do that, you can click on select, right? So if I click on select, after that there is a very important message that will show up. So don't immediately do anything, right? Just wait. You will see that all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Select all 63 conversations in promotions. So in my case, I have cleaned up literally 40,000 messages. So in my case, it was before select all 40,000 conversations. So it goes across like multiple pages. So if you stop here and then directly delete, then you are wasting your time and nothing is much is going to happen. So what you do is that if you're confident that promotions doesn't have anything other than that, then click on select all conversations. Now don't click on clear selection. Sometimes what happens is, like, clear selections is just going to uncheck like all of this. No, we want to delete, right? And again, as I said, you have to go through the promotions, few pages of promotions, to ensure that you're not deleting anything important. Just like I did in my greetings case, you can undo it, right? After that, click on the delete button. So click OK. If you have too many messages, it's going to take time, right? So leave your promotions box there, or like what's going to happen is that it's going to tell you that it is going to do this might take longer depending on how, you'll get this message like this, right? So you can leave it like that after that. All right, thank you so much everyone, bye.